Hello everyone, welcome to the XoroERP UOM tutorial. In this module, we're going to create a UOM, in other words, a unit of measure. So let's go to the UOM module. And a lot of these will be already set up for you in the system. However, if you want to add a few more, you can do so. So items can be categorized into units of measure. So if you're selling an item by liters, for example, or if you want to measure its weight or volume, this is one way you can create that measurement here. So let's create the unit of measure liter. I'm going to call it liter, obviously. And for description, I'm going to say UOM liter. And the type, this is important here. So liter is a volume. And suppose you're selling that item by liter, so you're going to want to select volume. And so in this case, you're going to be allowed decimal quantities for this UOM because it's volume. If it were, suppose, count, it would be only integer quantities. So we can put a code here for the UOM. Let's call it LT. And I'm going to click on save, click OK, and the UOM liter has been created.